When we are doing this, and you go fit say you want cock soup in it.
Rasta, matter of fact, dash with that. We don't want that. Sling it with man. Sling with that man. We don't use that.
So me I show you pot.
You must say you want more water. Now this, Rasta.
Oh, yeah. Take yourself out.
Rasta, stew chicken out there, you don't need no more. Stop. Stop.
Let go from me and have something, man.
That's sweet.
Yo, dog. And then call that green bag, so everything green today.
Prosperity, man.
Prosperity. Oh, God.
Prosperity, Rasta.
No, the coal bag.
The coal bag? Rasta.
I have tea, see there? Coal, we are working today when that the big wood then done. Nah,
you're done them.
And I want to burn them out over here, burn out the whole like big wood when me have, I can't. So me can't then come, light them on fire, burn them out, do.
So Rasta, where do you finally get 110? You know, if you're ball down and say deserve it, no?
Me deserve it anything at all.
But today,
yeah, I deserve all 40.
So you never cook Spanish rice yet?
Where you come from? Spanish?
You come from Spanish? You come from Spanish?
One if that's Spanish, you come from anything come from Spanish.
Over Spain.
Or Spain.
So, yeah,
or you come from Cane. Anyone and everyone come from today, we are going to start it out and show you say there's nothing one of care like food kind come where we can match up, that's the can be nice, that's the people them enjoy.
Even pork?
Yo. When me tell you say all the while say.
Rasta, when next day come that you go put him 3 gate.
No, me not.
Look over face.
No, me not. No, me not go 3 gate. In my just stand up when the food done in can. No,
yeah,
cook. Okay, thing much about pork. You know, man.
I don't think so. You know eat pork from last year already.
This last year, all you that next crackhead, you know. It's like you bought something this morning to blows and skirt, man. Your head high. You can't tell me say.
I want you did say.
I know New Year this, I know wrong.
Ah, you see it?
Yeah. You see, I develop into what I do here when you're around. And you know, so we not touch none of them things there. But a years we not dealing with them things there. So here, you don't go out, right? All right. Don't worry about the same.
Your mama said no. Your mama said no.
You say, for last year you talk about it, so you don't wrong in it. Say, if you did just every time you talk, no.
But at this one I bring it up every time. Last year to this year, brand new, 2006. You can't let it go now because none cook over here.
Yeah.
We are dealing with ingredients them now. And start out of the start out, chop up my piece of chicken and do a little thing today. So
yeah, I can show them we have over
here. Yeah, we can show them.
Hey Rasta. The lady in piece, you know, man.
See there, everything is here. Where we have a look about today.
Chicken atawot.
Chicken atawot, see there. Carrot is here. Scallion is here. Irish is here. Garlic is here.
That's the way you love it.
That's why I love it again.
Is here.
Good old butter. My small ingredients.
Secret ingredients.
Secret ingredients. Ingredients. You can't know what is it when I put it in done. Because you may not tell you the rest of it. Brown sauce, some chicken. I'm on in here. Leg and thigh and breast. So, don't know.
Hey, Rasta, I don't eat nothing like when I see the skin left on chicken, you know?
No, so I can't manage the skin.
I can't eat it, boy.
But when I say when you have French fry, you have to put it on. When you eat it, you take it off.
Is it a must?
Yeah. No, but when me have French fry,
when me have French fry,
I take it off too.
Take it off.
What you mean? You know what it is?
Some people say the skin only in the season more and anything.
No, sir.
No skin, boy.
Certain pieces, like the leg, we leave the little skin up on the leg when we have French fry.
Everybody
skin
come
no
out.
healthy, none at all, no man.
Everything come out.
Yeah.
And you know, so when I buy food on the road, or get food elsewhere, I eat the skin, but if me fry it myself,
yeah.
I tear down the skin, man.
No one no skin, boy. That's why I know a TV wing. Where saying say the fowl nah be themselves, so you know say I am
Mole
green.
Yo! The man say,
you Rasta.
you never that style.
You eat wing?
Wing?
Yeah.
Depends what part. You have a little leg part on the wing.
You know I tip
you eat the wing, man.
I mean, not tip out that thing. But strip off them, like me, I got deal it like how we are dealing this now. Every skin, all I have I wing, his skin come off.
Yeah, can I take it off?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
They take off I wing, see, and we are not.
Never know. I never see that.
Yeah, man. Take that, strip it, cut it right part with like that, so and peel it off. Half I. Yeah. Like how we are doing this now.
Yeah.
You know.
One idea, I go buy one wing. I'll make you peel it off, show you.
Alright, no problem.
The lady when name Peace Pan on YouTube.
Yeah.
How much of it? Because she want to get 10, you know. Like you can't do nothing wrong for her. So you tell her today so you feel like 4 you get.
No man, fancy I tell you that. That means she say, you know, say everything up and running for Rasta, so me rate her to the maximum.
Yes, sir.
Yeah man, me rate her man. Big up yourself, peace. And Rasta said that love to you to the world. Alright,
Rasta.
up and running.
Shamar, where the girl name? Where Dalvi? Where Dalvi YouTube thing?
Dalvi.
Wagwan Dalvi.
Wagwan Dalvi, yeah. Wagwan Dalvi.
Wagwan Dalvi too? Love how you going.
Big up yourself, Wagwan Dalvi. Manners and respect in a Thursday morning. One love, straight to your heart.
But
Rasta Dodo said that.
Rasta, you see
love me say.
You see Dalvi now? You remember with the say calabash thing? And them say she eat out of
Alright, Dalvi. We have deal with the calabash thing. Because I bust it pan them and show them so that we are making tree and plate them. So that are running in I think. Up and running.
Name carve and
Manners and
calabash.
respect.
Nice.
Prescribe. Up and running.
Yeah man, so you see if you're a calabash, you put goated pan your one.
What goated now? Goated. Come.
Oh, and dodo.
Watch her now. Watch her now.
You know me that like Rasta? You that like one day, see? Your friend try a piece of goat give you.
You can work, you know?
You mean if you feel so?
Of course.
You want to test it fiddly?
Why?
You want to laugh. Me that try
no,
the French
yeah.
try.
Bro, that taste it, but me don't know. Me don't think that one there.
She goat have to cook.
So you not cook it, you not
Half cook it first.
Yeah.
Could I try that, yes? I say
I'll say it,
yes.
yes.
Bombat.
Yeah, you cook yourself?
Careful.
Touch me.
So, like, you know how we go and make it touch your Rasta?
Nice sharp.
No, sharp. Man.
Jealousy, man.
No.
Through the chicken here, I mentioned goat.
I just don't like how I make plans to eat and meat, man.
You can go and talk.
Lightning and thunder.
I would say me a piece of cabbage say something.
Yeah, joker. Maybe that cut me quicker to Bamboo Road. You know what I say?
Yo.
That cut me like a faster. You can't use cutlass?
No.
What me?
Rasta DJ.
Yeah, no,
But
not a Rasta DJ. You're born with Baffan. If you're on them Baff, nobody come
Rasta,
back.
hear me I say
You're
no.
born with Baffan.
Rasta,
Eh?
you don't hear me I say no.
How clean today? Look,
Every
two of them are here good. Look, they are here good.
Listen to me I say
Yeah, they are here good.
Listen to me I say every week me come, you can't grate at this, so me have to grate
Alright, me have
at
great tight today. Chop out your skirt. You say you had blouse and skirt, joke.
You say I grate at you.
I sure say I'm not afraid of great tight.
Yeah, man, alright.
They say,
go chop
roles
out
reverse today.
Without reverse.
Him a chop, you out great.
Yeah, me do anything.
Alright.
So go for
So I want
See my shit then.
So you me say, I want you to go with the camera and fiddle cook.
him.
Yeah.
When you feel saying ready.
Anytime.
Yes,
When you feel saying ready, not too squiddly.
Anytime I'm
Nah,
here
pressure,
to
right,
ready.
last time.
No, me not impression none at all. You never
Actually,
do
you
that.
come in by your turn and say, make me cook. And he must say, no, sir, I run this today.
He say, I'm run it till and he sweat your fart. I say, you.
Restaurant, I tell me when I have a fever in kitchen, no?
Why fever? Me not say fever. You going nearly have it.
So I think a Martel did for a choppy coconut.
Now that he tell me, say him a go chop it.
So when you run gone?
Run gone. So he go and buy noodle. But the noodle he didn't get today. Noodle and noodle him a deal it today. Now deal it me with the food that we are talking about. The man say he go look noodle. So I mean say that I must wear a cup soup noodle.
Ramen noodle.
I'm belly hurt him say want noodle. Jesus Christ, I tell belly hurt him say want noodle. Yo! Alright, look, you see that? Okay, put that good.
Yeah.
That growing, I see that it growing now.
Yeah, that him a get ready for this. Can't believe Martel belly a hurt him and gonna look cup noodle.
If you love the coconut, you forward.
Yo,
the
you know,
roast and noodle and the cayenne pepper.
You know, see, you're going to look noodle, so
You know this?
me check say, I think the,
I think a cup noodle.
You gotta look at me, you talk like, so your belly hurt, you say you want a cup noodle to warm up your inside.
Yeah, man, that's up, man.
So why you bring packed noodle?
So you know this?
Yeah,
What is?
cayenne pepper.
Fiddle, you don't know it?
Yeah, man.
Oh. Yeah, man, you know no country pepper. You have to get some cayenne.
I go feel greater.
I take them there in my turmeric shop more time a morning.
The cayenne pepper.
I go feel greater, you know. Prescribe. One love. Rasta
So
say,
fiddle,
up and running.
one of they tell the people and say.
You know, just
and
say-
I'm here, Rasta say you
Alright,
can
me
look
tell him the
one
straight truth what me
cup
say.
noodle.
Me say, me tell Squidly say,
Yeah.
the man chop out the coconut
Yeah.
and run gone over Peter,
Yeah.
saying go and buy cup noodle. I don't know wrong with the wind belly.
But Rasta, remember say,
Member what? We no got no church for a week, so you're not no member. Me and you no. So now tell the people what you're a member.
Listen, man, member say. You don't
You
know.
still talk about that? Right. I mean just tell you say you're not no member of no church.
Alright.
Yeah.
Right, remember says
You're again.
Remember says remember you can't cook. I remember said
who can cook?
Our main ingredients for Spanish
people.
rice.
You
have to get the ingredients.
You went say? So me can't cook. And him say no. And but that is a main ingredient. This like main ingredient you
say no needed.
What
Spanish rice.
Him say could have cook without that now.
What we are doing this are you go fit say you want cock soup in it.
Rasta, matter dash with that. We don't want that. Fling it with man. Fling with that man.
You that full of oil.
Yeah man. That me just tell them oily.
Oily, full of oil.
Only thing in the Rasta.
Rich.
We no soft saggy rice today.
So you ever get saggy rice before?
What did that to rice and peas rice? I will cook it.
No me?
Yeah.
So what did that to it? Everybody now show say?
Not my teeth, that's why I asked you how did cook it.
I fire cook it, me I'm gonna steer it.
Yo.
Yeah.
Look at the camera
and me cook it, but I fire steer it. Me. Alright.
How me sound fiddly?
Yeah man.
Alright. So you said today, you know I miss a step out of the rice here.
Step? I two down there so. So if you want to go on one and then you can go down there and then go sit down. So the 1, 2, on the 2 steps.
Only step that.
Don't go step that, down there. So if you want more step, you have to go to the courthouse. You have 11 there so.
What do you mean 11 step?
11 alright, count them when you go there. When you
any
go
courthouse?
Any courthouse.
So why?
I don't know so they make the 11 step you have to step to do and go in there. Yeah, for ever since.
That's some Dillarance business in there.
Why I don't know what they end up on?
We not trust that. You trust it?
Trust it? Never, not even
Then
buy
Rasta build some of them man.
Who you talk to? Me not build nothing.
So how you know so I level step? You got a coat regular?
Coat ready, Rasta?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll cut the camera. We don't
That can't talk for you.
So how we do?
Me not do
Mama
that.
pass life.
Alright. You want to know if you done with me?
Yeah, I want to say, I want to say other shit, Rasta.
Me no want that thing.
We don't want to taste it.
Okay,
So-
I did think the night.
Oh yeah.
Me not do nothing wrong.
I hear that? I hear that? That can eat good? That tastes good?
No taste.
You don't go just
Tastes like chunks.
Go me.
grainy.
Tastes like chunks, Rasta.
No go so.
Chunks taste better than it.
Coconut can't taste like chunks. So you know
Me
what
ask you if
me
this
say coconut can't taste like chunks. So you know what I that? Coconut or coconut?
Me ask you, what are these high chunks? When nicer?
Coconut.
Oh, so you eat chunks already?
No. Coconut. All chunks are nice. And animal food.
But anyways, Rasta, what happened? Why you guy quote us?
When the guy caught us, my brother woman tell lie for me.
So what?
So me cut him with knife and nothing never go so. Him a rub round him and he long knife and he have in him bag. Scrape him up on the hand so.
And then saw you.
No, she say me. So my brother tell him, so if he got a coat, he want to collect her money off of me.
So you get it?
No, when he got a coat, he put off. And at that time he come, he tell the judge say, I'm brother-in-law. Listen now, she tell the dead judge say, I'm brother-in-law and nothing no go so because him cut him.
So yeah.
And him a rub round him brother. So in life, barely scraping panic. And through the judge tell him if he go get a doctor bill and I think them and come back, you can't produce them thing.
So watch you now.
He done.
So as a Rasta. Okay, mix up in so much bangarang.
Me? I no mix up in a bangarang. Them a try to mix up Rasta in a bangarang because I no do nothing wrong.
So I'm a greater this year.
Yo, go fire so.
No, you me.
Me? You just tell me say you're greater last week and you ball out. So me not ball out. Let me say.
Yo. Why? Who ball out? Why?
You a ball out say, are you all while have to come greater?
I don't be Magnum ball out.
I see, me not no
You know
fuss.
Duffy Magnum?
Me not no fuss.
Ask me if you know Duffy Magnum.
Me not no fuss with
Fiddly.
greater.
Ask me if you know Duffy
No,
Magnum.
me not know that. We don't know nothing about
Duffy Magnum ball out.
You know Fiddly? Me I tell him say see, me not have a problem to greater. Can I say you not cut up and watch me a greater.
Yeah, fuck, you don't need the help.
You say nah ball out.
Me not ball out.
After we not Duffy Magnum.
You hear me? Me not say me not ball out.
How Duffy song go?
Me not know Duffy song.
No Duffy, Duffy.
Me not know you call Duffy.
Spring onion and say it name the rest of.
What? It's a scallion in
No
here.
spring onion and say it name.
Yeah, me a spring onion. Or if it's spring.
You have to ask them and no me name.
Or if it's spring, it's water run there. Yo,
They
so
say anything on your spring, what?
water have to run there. But this now spring, this grow.
It's ready.
Yeah, grow and come out of ground in the spring.
I'm mad this matter,
I
Rasta.
don't know if I come probably mad about spring, or a spring or not. You ever see spring onion your people, when you tell me, send it on the channel, make me see it. Please and thank
Spring
you.
onion are the same name.
Then you can't name so. This name Scallion.
But Rasta, even though you're not so 100 per cooking, you know, you see me?
Yeah.
Like when you cut up seasoning, you know. Yeah, but you're not so 100 when you come on to flavor and taste.
So you eat it. Every night no flavor and taste. If you never have no flavor and taste, and I love when me have me hand make your food nice, you know.
Rasta,
you think
watch you long, Rasta.
You think I just if the season you put in the food make food nice?
Yeah, exactly.
If you not no love for what you do when you cook, it cannot nice.
True.
It cannot nice. Anything you do and you not put no love in it, it can't nice.
You not give me a chance, fine.
No, then me a general on the fireside, so me have to talk when me a talk.
So you not give me a talk?
Yeah, but talk.
Your
Time now.
You never yet cook something.
Mm.
And you say, boy, I know me cook this today, this is not nice. And you still eat it.
No, so everything.
I lie you tell
You
you.
never cook nothing and in no flavor.
You never cook something yet and you say, boy, it
have
can't.
flavor.
No, I never say it don't have no flavor.
But
You
me
never
not-
cook
me
something
not-
yet
Yeah,
today.
like when we go in and all tired. Yeah, when we go in and tired.
Because me not think that way. The kind of thing me I prepare, me I make sure prepare.
Me no
it.
believe
Alright,
it.
watch
Yeah,
out.
man. Anything when me I prepare for my belly.
I can relate to what Ma tell us. I can relate to what Ma say.
The food no.
I look a subpar there.
Yeah, but you can't eat.
Yeah.
But
Still
you say
edible, but
Yeah, but you say never do it.
I below your greatest
Do
day.
that and don't fall and say boy.
No, I'm not saying it's a downfall no, but
Downfall me mean like say food already, Like I say boy.
it just not give you the wow.
Yeah, the that
what
me
you
a
had
talk
to-
You see me?
about.
That's
Yeah,
what
but me I say me never have that yet.
Yeah.
I say every day is a wow.
Every day is a home.
Nothing like that, man. Them water rice the way you give it can't. You know what?
See all you? Me give you water rice. You see the river around the river Nile there, my yo. That me give you water rice. Me know say no sea no there. So you couldn't get no water rice. You think up and down there with this big old
Watch
dam,
out
just
The water rice where you give away there, I see them way as you say, I just out of the love, make we eat the rice, see them way. See la. Make them broke up that, no fighting.
Look by your flour, your water flour you make with nice.
And out I love when
And
we
out
prepare
I
it with them, still get something to eat, no?
Yeah, me I show you, but me not give nothing like that. Me not give nothing like that. We have to crepe off with that. Look at me when me I cook on the crepe.
You know, remember say you flash some on the jump.
Yeah, that if you stay upon the jump, you show say firm. Because if you drop off I jump now, you that watery. Or you stick on the jump, say no, say natural. Up around, subscribe, say up there. One off straight. They are dealing with it, you know. Cut out the season, panicking. Brown stew with it today. That is some nice brown stew.
So we are going to use today sugar for, for brown it, or you have browning?
You know, no sugar I put pan it.
This month today, man.
Oh, soy sauce.
Yeah,
Oh.
grass, soya sauce we have today.
Okay.
So no, you know, sugar. And we can fry it natural and we cook down see.
Like we did the natural
Like,
chicken,
Right,
you know?
right. See it, you see how we are? Nothing wrong. Everything is natural, you know, how you do it, you know. Prepare the ingredients them to how you want it, you know. And everything come to perfection, cooking it down. You see me? Just like that. Because the love of your feet, you just have put in it, so it have to nice when it's done. You see it?
Yeah.
'Cause if you don't have love feet, it don't make sense to do it, you know.
So leave it alone.
Just leave it alone
and
and
go
go
buy a coffin.
this coffin. Go
The box food, sir,
you
man.
take up what you want.
Rasta, you know, sweet, my dear. When you tell me, say, boy, you know, if you buy food at a restaurant, you can't no steam no blow in your face.
I like me, I tell.
But when you went, Mr. She married one of your food, you say, and I you that in your food, said, we.
You listen me night? You know he night. You tell me give piece of chicken. I'm going to eat it with a bowl. So you go Shamar. Yeah, I not going night. You can't take me that kind. You not take no night rice.
After a man convinced the fiddler, I said, don't buy food at a restaurant.
Yeah.
Right, Mr. Boy, you might tear down your right.
It's a chicken. You see how you want.
That was a surprise.
Yes, another really surprise. Him.
Ah.
A piece of chicken.
Yes, I'm surprised. A
No, some
chicken.
chicken. Can't be surprised.
Regular day that man Rasta.
Me say it's piece of chicken, so you can't be surprised.
Small
Rasta.
thing that.
When you're gone, you know, you're one Shamar, you know. You feel so, so you eat the pork, you know. Just as they say, you eat out of box food. And you go tear down your chicken.
You believe someone said that Rasta?
No, sir. He must say it.
Alright. Alright.
He must say it right, that's what you say, are you are say it now? Are you are say it now? Because you have too much bad feelings that you boy Rasta with pork. You see? Not like anything.
I mean, always upon the mountain, I bring the pork here.
But you are coming into the now.
I tell
And
you
I
when
can't tell
I
you
say,
say, the same hotel like how me take beside chicken from him now. The piece said me I touch the pork.
And that's
Blouse
what-
and skirt and bamboo root from there with that. They don't tell us when me was 19 years old and got Clarendon I found that me not eat no more.
A Clarendon, you have a trimester?
No, Spanish Town, no banana, and grow. But me,
I have
all of my
family
youth,
Clarendon.
yeah, my sister, my mother come from Clarendon, so my brother was born at them people. All of my youth days, that's how it is.
So what's your
Man
rasta?
himself,
So you
man
still have
himself.
family at Clarendon?
Yeah, then my sister and
So you know I could take a trip to Clarendon on idea.
in town.
It's a nice place at Clarendon, you know?
Yeah, man, we can go all the Milk River side and the side, I don't know how we go.
Alright.
Up Chapelton side, that's with my cousin.
Yeah, carry the people, I'm gonna show them the piece of adventure there, you know? Introduce them to Sister Dodo.
You know, so up when you hear about Clarendon,
I
and
do
don't
what I
live
give
down
man. Done it with me?
Yeah.
I can't done it with me. You must done it with you.
there with me.
Yeah.
You can't do it way again. You sign a deal to you know, man.
And I say, this last thing done.
This look good rasta.
Yeah,
This come like you could have cook up so with nothing.
yeah.
Eh?
That's what, this, look, you season them have to go in your thing in a man. You see, you can't just do it thing and not do it thing good. Do it thing good. See it, my people, and see where you are today. When you prepare a thing, everybody can see in front of you, say, you know, grow no corner, and I do nothing. And I,
So how gross
no, there is no five people in a restaurant. Me can't swear them out. That's why me not gonna go buy.
That's your night restaurant
Yeah,
food.
cause when you look for food, listen me now, when you prepare food, I give people. Who come to buy, you're supposed to can see everything what I prepare to you. You're there behind, well I know, you're there behind like a closed door, and you're hard, and you go around and come round. Me don't know where you do around this, me no want them food around this.
Hotel, you don't see where them are going with the hotel.
No
Say
hotel,
I say.
hotel, you know got hotel, then put out that tray, that
Yeah,
thing them,
so-
and you gonna serve yourself. Some of them are self-serve.
But you never see when in
But
the
me not
run a
got no
corner.
hotel.
You never see when in the run a corner. Do.
Me not got no hotel, so they can't stand it. So for your hotel, yeah?
You just have to know
So
say
for your hotel,
fiddly.
straight
Yeah.
out that
You
door.
just have to know
Our
say people
villa.
clean and you
See our
trust them.
villa,
No?
yeah? Straight out that door, where everybody can see where we are do. We not hide nothing. Straight in the public, where John Public can see where Rasta do, on the Martel channel, Spitz Drive, One Love, up and running. Straight. Yeah,
Yes, in Japan, but you rasta.
what picture was a go was that the parts.
You say him have it on camera.
That's sweet.
Yeah, clean.
Yo, dog, we not tell a lie now, say.
Wait, Rasta. There's a big Jill highlight, you know.
You tap your nice.
Look where something are. Big Jill. You can't use all of that.
Big
still
jail.
look at
Half
chicken.
pint me for use tonight when me I do it.
People, no tell Rasta in our comments and please.
That can't work in the rasta that alone in this, right?
I still
You're
chicken
mad,
yard.
man. That's cool,
Rasta,
man.
still chicken yard. You don't need no more. Stop. Stop.
Like off from here, I'm something, no, man.
Jesus Christ, we're dead now.
You better you're dead now.
No one wait till later.
Better wait till later. Better you're dead now, you know.
Okay, I'll look him up.
You said Jesus Christ, you're dead now.
No, don't
you're
use
dead now.
that
No
word.
matter wait till later.
No,
we can't
don't
talk.
say that. YouTube not like that word.
What you say?
Say unalive.
And here we are going to know. Me ask quickly, Martin can't carry out, you know. We carry out by some bamboo. I'll tell you, say that's what happened. Before the food ready over there, ball out, say, you can't manage this. You drop down.
Yes, I fiddly, man. Kill with that earlier.
No, man,
Jesus
that a little
Christ.
bit of that, man.
High cholesterol meals.
Look on that. That look like what pile to the people. Look on this.
That I title for that
Look on this
video,
people.
you know.
If this
High
look like-
cholesterol brown stew chicken.
This is the brown stew chicken, but you have to use little oil to
Fiddly.
This
get
a
it.
little eye?
Fiddly.
Yeah,
And the
not,
chicken,
not even
the
big
chicken
chicken.
are going to produce more oil.
Yeah.
No, it's not
So you must, and then him a go put in butter.
No. I'm not bringing no butter theme. So
Him a go put in
I
butter.
want a little half secret bring theme for the rice.
Look how him a cut.
rice and one little piece dropping on the
You
chicken.
still
See me
want
tell her?
You still want
See that we put a little piece on the chicken and
Jesus
No,
Christ.
sky.
We dead today.
We're not dead today with full. I want to give the cholesterol today.
Yes, sir.
Cholesterol.
Can I give them cholesterol?
Are you ask where we are getting till I will say we're full of cholesterol today. So what is that cholesterol will I drink today? What else do I go out, man? God knows sticks of cholesterol we are boil. We go though. That's why that bass so much oil. Look one little piece of oil. Me not boil a cholesterol, you know. Just a little oil.
A cholesterol.
A cholesterol you want. Alright, I want to go to some cholesterol and oil today.
I love what I like up at dam.
Jesus Christ.
Rasta. You listen to me? I don't know.
Right now, me I tell you, say chum see the pot here. chump one this.
Full of oil. Rasta. No, you feel now, you know. You don't smell nothing.
You know, a lie you're telling.
You smell it?
Yeah, from a long time.
Smell the coolest.
Well, you smell it,
All my next blood to get mad, man, you know. Silent mad and I think, you know.
it's a silent man.
Yeah, and that's why it smell cool. And I supposed to wear when I party, it's supposed to
But
smell.
me not smell it, but based on looks, it look good.
And you have a reputation or procedure. You don't really do much nonsense. I just the rice, you know, master.
Yo,
Hey, anytime master for cook rice in
you
body,
can't tell me
Yeah.
no rice, because me not shame to cook rice. I mean, never give no floppy rice yet. Me never go no floppy rice, so no matter can tell about me no master.
That up for discussion. And up.
Saggy? Me don't know where you need what called saggy. Me don't know what you're talking about. Me never do nothing with saggy yet. So don't bring that in the channel. No sagginess. If we no bring rice come, we not kill rice. And the rice me a cook.
What's this here today now? When you done the rice, you don't can count all my rice grains.
No, me not get that way there.
Oh yeah,
You can't give me, no rice grain can't come separate.
Oh yeah, give
You
me.
must think I'm marble this.
Yeah. It'll come out like jollof rice.
You must think I'm marble him after my content boy want rice to count 119. If you want to count 119, you take it for now. You take it for now before you cook it. It's better so you can't count it. So
Yes,
when-
share my
yes, you for now, see them before you go in the pot. And when we done cooking, you response to run so. Simple as that. So if you want fear one to count 1-1. You take fear for now.
Yeah, go on with
You
you.
want fear one Martel man. Tell them no man. Take fear for now. Nobody now quite ready no man. Take fear for now.
you want it.
But that's how you want it man. Take fear for now. Man, I can respect. Watch it. I'm coming up my pot with my ingredients and lock him off after that.
Here people hear the signature sound. That's the pot I go on with something, man. Here, look at signature sound.
The smell off of me, I get already.
Rasta, you know, no smell top tail line now, man.
Which smell him at talk about? I cool him and smell like burn you.
Yeah man, you can't talk about your cold. I must see a cold in your head. You must in your head the cold there.
So Rasta, you smell it for real?
Yeah, they must smell the pot for
Be
you.
honest, be honest.
Be honest man, they smell the pot for you, so.
You know you come here and not talk no truth for a morning.
You're not talking no truth for a morning.
Fiddly, alright. You smell it fiddly?
Boy, I nah go cap. I cool alone, I smell like burn.
You're cold in your head and not small in your nose. That's what you have. You.
So you can never season up all the chicken in the black pepper, you know,
No.
work so.
I say I got a last set of ingredients.
Nice pepper I go contain. Them there.
So Rasta, you put in cayenne pepper already?
Them thing they rub in nice.
No, me not ask,
Yes,
me never
yes.
see.
You're there when you see it though.
Fiddly, like you say there and today.
No, me no ignorant. But
I can't man.
double talky things.
I
Never
can't
see.
aisle.
Never see.
I can't know you know.
I can't aisle,
Them
man.
drink too much dragon, man.
No, I can't aisle where
I'm
you
mad.
under.
I malt, I lick him out.
I can't aisle where you under, Rasta.
Me and Anna can't you see, look at me.
Come so, let me see. Come so. Do this.
Touch your ears.
What you want me to do? Turn the front, sir. Sit there.
You saw what
Hold your 2 foot them.
Yeah, yeah. So what Yo, it's very easy. Right. People.
right, wow.
You know, go and catch me
Well, that's the one thing, you're going to do something special. A little chicken inside, don't care baby can cook little
All right,
chicken.
want to see baby
Yeah.
can cook.
Me say don't care
You
baby can
say
cook
a
chicken.
baby can cook. I want to see baby wow.
You know
Rasta.
feel it? You know feel it? Wow, like
Rasta.
you think of something
Rasta.
incredible.
Don't make you demotivate your Rasta. You
That's
do
the way
something
you can.
good.
Rasta, a little chicken this.
And Tim to me a whole pile in it. Show me all way night now.
What you mean? Yeah,
When
see?
you done cook it, you see it a float on the top.
And then in the pre-same I put butter on it.
All them things they are going
Yeah,
there.
style. You know where I go the next time?
I know me I do. Me actually whole back line in me done. Me could no ball.
After you share for we.
No man, cause you not get none.
Watch out, man.
Cause you have fear rice.
No.
Hold on.
Here more big.
Listen,
you do
I
for
give
me.
me that say no. Cause he film rice I count out pan anything in the count out a 40 grain game.
40 grain game.
Yeah, cause that is
Can you say one fee 1-1?
he say one film 1 grain. So we look at all 50 grain
Rasta,
can
but-
give. I'm a kid doing one.
Fiddly, you want a soft rice today?
No.
Squidly. Yeah, go on back again. Reverse the cupboard. Put it in.
Rasta.
Neutral yourself, sir. I'm going to ask you a question.
No soft rice.
I ever
today.
cooked a soft rice give you before, sir?
Rasta.
Remember that bite up your lip, you know. Talk straight, man.
There you
Remember
go.
that bite up your lips like you think say was bite you. Talk straight, let me hear.
Yes.
With me give soft rice.
Yes.
How soft it is?
Very soft.
How soft it is.
Very soft.
Alright, very soft. Remember, you know, you say very soft. The flour where you cook also, the flour. How you do it?
Alright, let me ask you, did you get dumpling to eat?
No.
Yes or no?
Flour me get.
You get dumpling for it?
Them no soft like porridge.
So you can tell people and say,
Alright, then so,
After I done,
me a go.
I boil in water.
so if you boil it.
No much water.
Oh.
But where rice you boil in? No water. But you say me give him soft rice. Say me give him porridge rice to drink. And I know when you might eat on the channel, people, when you see when you not spoon and take out and you not see me do that. When you see me eat and I say, yes, up and running. Prescribe. Martel thing. One love.
Oh, yourself, man. Today we give an honest score.
You
Never
give me an honest score. You know?
Allah, so the 10, you never deserve a 10 last week.
I'm going to say I'm 110 to forget. I put the people like a piece of half a 10.
A 9.5 in the gear.
No, a 10 me give man. Remember when Mama Cherry?
Me give 10.
Him give me 10.
You know, remember when me give the 10 and Mama Cherry run come out and say, yes, for real. Go
But
on.
me give 10, Dodo.
Him give me 10.
And 10 me give.
Me no remember him giving you no 10, Dodo.
9.5 he say.
I 10 me give last week, but
Same.
that flour you to the look at it now and make it.
Me never see week last year, you know. Every week is a different day coming in.
What a meal on your master?
Brown stew.
This or no brown stew
You know what
chicken?
you say
This?
about brown stew?
What is Rasta?
Alright, come.
It's a
Oil
high
chicken,
Yeah
mine.
man, I'll mind.
I'll mine with Spanish rice.
You think a Cuba you're there, look I'll mind. You have to go down to Russia to get I'll mind. You know that Russia, Jamaica we there, over Africa, little Africa, this name, right on the Martel camp. See there? That we have the round there, so nothing else to now done. No I'll mind no come here. I'll mind it there, we could not turn here, so I look for food. Then police, this fence guard up the place long time, and we can't turn here, so if I'll mind it there.
If a true chump not see that pot yet.
The chum can't hold this apart, I have to stay in there and hold film one. Like what that flash in there.
Bad man.
Looking nice, not true.
Listen me
Yeah,
now,
that could have worked, yes.
But here I go on, Rasta. That too much.
Because I want to put the scotch in hot seat in, man.
Come
Then I could have taken the spoon, me not spark me I use it on my thing.
Rasta.
So you can have that.
Here I go on now. I'm not going to tell you where it's short or nothing.
You know this way you want to tell me.
Oh, my son.
Me can't tell you when me want, when me know say it's shorter. You know I'm not talking on my thing.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, Rasta. Go on. Go on. This is your best so
Smell
far.
good, man.
Rasta?
You know where what?
What?
It's fresh.
You know fresh bad man.
You can't tell me that.
Are you a pot,
Salty,
Rasta?
salty.
Rasta, if you say it fresh, it's fresh.
Fiddly.
One little bit of
Hold on, man.
I don't want to taste anything.
No, man,
Rasta the
but
chef.
if you want to put in the salt,
We're not giving no review. Rasta the chef.
Hold on.
Anything Rasta say
Hold on,
goes.
man. Hold on. But you don't put in the salt, so okay.
Anything Rasta
Rasta.
say
Me
goes.
don't taste a little bit so me don't put it. You know enough. Me no want
Yes,
no fresh
Rasta, it's
food.
fresh.
It's fresh.
Yeah, me no want no
Oh,
fresh
yes,
food.
sir. But if you're a Rasta fiddly, you
No.
want to like, no,
Hear me now. Not true they say me a Rasta.
Go on,
Me
be
don't like
honest.
fresh food.
You know, fresh man.
Because me not a high tally, so me have to use my salt.
Be honest.
To be honest, me not go behind the back and me use my salt. My food have to taste with little
Fiddly.
salt. Me know say food.
Yes.
Nice.
Fiddly.
Up and running.
I hear you.
May I ask you a question now?
What is that question?
Was it fresh? See, was it fresh? Be honest.
Yes.
End result me I work with.
You see, you as a Rasta, stand still.
Me as a Rasta a logical thing me tell you. Not true, Fiddly?
Yeah.
Yeah, cause when the fresh is fresh for me.
Simple.
Me not tell no lie.
Are you a chef?
I'm me a chef.
Do you love it? The salt.
Yeah man, me have to use the salt man.
Too much, I can.
No, me not use too much. So
It is too much,
I
man.
season sometimes. Me don't know say season having so
But
much
you
salt.
just taste it, and what I say, it was alright.
That-
It was fresh.
It was fresh.
That's why Mama Cherry have a quarrel there, even
Me not about that. But him a getting food.
Salt.
No?
You know,
No, I run up mama pressure, you know,
you
careful.
know, you
No,
will
that-
start make. If you start make
Sure.
snacks, 'cause you know snacks have a little salty in it.
You're right.
Snacks you have make.
Well, listen.
Banana chips and cheese tricks.
Cherry, beg you strainer now, please.
You can use this strain it.
No, man. No, man.
But you know not a thick state.
This don't work so. You don't work with them type of straining. One with things strain out properly. You hold it. You go and hold something like that. You have a small today so you
Yeah.
can do something.
You know not a
You talk too much so have something like that to go and talk with. You see?
I will say fiddly.
That's something else.
I'm mum.
Go on, one hour and give me
You
that.
know,
Yo.
you're hummingbird.
You must call like that. You call like it's a hummingbird today. Everything you come, you just have, You never say hum, man. You must say a hummingbird.
Hummingbird to the way you talk.
Big one. Go fish trainer. Can't walk outside corner, sit at the back door.
This is a hum.
You might come out back door, that chair.
No, I'm not doing nothing about.
Me not be in that door that. Me not tell about nothing else. Door me tell him about. Is that nasty head goat head. What content boy you don't deal nothing about. You not feel back. Take off your back and show your mouth. Me not like to know you that walk. Me know every man born with a back. Everything where you sit on the ground have a back.
Him not have none of
You
that.
can't kill no back, a hump you get.
Him backless.
No man, he humpless. A hump then give you. I whatever you call it, humpy. He said that. Quickly. He said that about. So what we call it? Humpy, don't you? So like, you know chicken back.
No.
So you know
You know chicken back are old, Joe?
You want me ask you a question?
You know what is a
Hold on, me ask you a question.
But you know,
hold
you
on.
can't ask me until you answer.
Yeah, me take where you want it.
Yeah?
Alright,
Yeah?
listen me now. The chicken where we look about a while ago, you know care back.
Chicken back different from chicken.
Yes, but me ask you a question.
Let me ask you something now. Chicken back tastes like chicken to you?
No, chicken back or chicken back.
So two different animals.
No, I can't. I cannot two
You're
different
mad, man.
animals.
No,
It
chicken
cannot
back
be
come
two
off
different
and stuff.
animals.
Look why even chicken back.
I cut them cut out the back part
Listen,
yourself. I
if you
take
texture-
out the hip off it.
Listen,
Ask
you
the
like
people
that,
them. Are you like argue?
Yo.
Because you not talk each out.
Fiddly.
Ask anybody.
Chicken back. The texture on chicken back is different from the chicken. The skin and the fat.
Me don't talk
It's
to
not
you.
different.
It up for the weight.
May I ask you what you feel?
Look.
I see him thing.
No man.
Don't you squiddly?
Yeah,
What
I
you
was
say?
gonna say, it
Ask
up
the
for the
people
bait.
them.
It up for the bait.
Because them take off, them cut
We
it
can't
short.
answer with a
Watch me.
certainty.
This is the chicken, the whole of chicken, right? In your hand, them not go so now. Then cut off the hip part here so. And the next part here so. With the breast round here so. And then left that piece
So
of
me
part with the
ask
long
you
neck
something
come down
now.
to the back. Simple as that.
May I ask you something?
So you feel this is every chicken have back.
The skin for that chicken are different from when you go buy chicken back. They're two different textures that you get.
No, even not two different textures. I
You
see
know, you're
him.
not be honest. man.
I two him skin
Here
there
you go.
for the
I'm going to do a
chicken.
chicken and chicken back over an idea. You look
Me
for
say I
food
see him
texture.
skin
I
there.
want to say when you done cook a whole of chicken, it not produce as much oil as where you
Alright,
get out
alright.
of the chicken back
Yeah.
there.
Tell him, I told
Yeah.
you everything Rasta.
Yeah, for
You
real.
sure of that?
That me can answer to
So
with a
that chicken,
certainty.
where that one they come
Chicken
from?
I
back
don't
and
know.
Where
Then I
that
big
all
up this
Joe?
if you ever see where you go.
Yeah, idiot. Well, Joe. Me don't know where Joe come from.
A chicken back, but if it's too foreign one, then the bone is different. As I said, same bone.
Bone part come here.
It's some all
Are
food
two different meat
like
and then
that.
Yeah,
Rasta.
sir.
If
No.
I said meat, the chicken back, that tastes like a chicken.
I still dove people love this so.
A different thing, I love the old Joe.
Me don't love the old Joe.
Cause now come here.
Nah, come here. I mean, I buy old Joe. Some more water.
Yo, bad man, I don't want too much more.
Me
And
say
shelly
go for
rice,
wa-
I want today.
Just carry water
I go
come.
for you water.
This I coconut milk like you can't put out.
Jakes, more water.
More water. Go for water,
I
come.
don't want no soft rice today.
Yo, you know, say that mad boy that.
Listen me now, Rasta. You see, if the rice has to get today.
Are you causing?
Listen me now, you see all of the little place here?
Yeah.
I flash me and this today.
You better take it
Yeah,
back.
sure.
All of them hole here.
Yeah, you have
Me a flash it today.
Well, all of your head me a put to you. You see that shine for it,
You
you
shine
have
for it,
it. You have piece off here that see you grow on it today with the thin flour.
No, but Rasta remember you say I give him film rice and no, you know.
See, cool up.
Before it cook, you know.
Yeah, where I come to.
You count out 40
Yeah, but
grain
I'm
game.
soon do that. I count out film rice game again. Because that thing saying one. He want say one film rice in a
Extra shelly.
White rice, so that's
No,
why
sir.
I'm gonna put no more in there. That's alright, man. By the time we boil down,
Yeah.
Need whole heap more water, man.
Make it run over.
But them say me have one pot.
Leave.
Say me a pot full of water up here. And I know a pot not full of water.
so which cut out got rice?
Now this where we have everything here now. You can't cook in this.
Hey, man,
Yeah.
rice can't cook in these. You have to know you can't cook in you.
You can't cook. Me never see
Auntie Cherry, you ever cut up an onion when you do a rice and peas or anything there?
No?
Oh, tell him.
You can put it, but not the rice.
A rice
Tell
and
him.
peas is where I cook.
But I said
No,
procedure
sir, we not cook
procedure.
rice and peas. So yeah, I can't tell you put. I can't tell you
Yeah,
put
understand.
onion in a
You know an
rice.
idea, Rasta.
You have to go do that cook.
May I go
Yo.
carrot pan the main and put the road and One thing make you sit down, sir.
Anything you
I
want
come
me?
with your book and take notes.
Take note? Me not write no note.
You don't have to write it.
Me have to take
Take
it.
it in your head.
Me have all my notes.
Just
in my
learn
head
it in
already.
your big head.
Eh? It's off your head shine. For the notes are written all about over me. Yeah.
In
me
your
not-
locks.
All them are there now.
Knowledge in
And
your
I'm
locks.
yeah, I
them.
look for him, you see it. And I'm in note. And the center of everything where we are do. Then thing there, are the real thing. See there?
Can you sit
Yeah?
today?
Look for the pattern now. Come up in night quickly. Come look back and see.
Rasta.
I coconut milk and cookie rice today, no people.
Rasta.
See it there?
Yeah.
Alright.
Rasta.
Alright, may I go for your cover?
Rasta.
See cover there?
You sit today?
Mm-hmm.
May I give you a hard grade, you know?
Yo?
I don't feel like say me I
You
give
will
a
say me
pity
I give
today.
a hard grade.
You don't have no pity
When
for
me I
it
come
today, I say,
Holland.
boy, you know you deserve this.
It's when me I come and me stop out there and me no so no. When me reach down there so. Guess where me sit down there?
Oh,
On grader. So you can go check him.
what is that?
Grade down the road.
I already did this, Rasta.
My rice, so I go put the noodle there, man.
Jesus.
So I noodle, my rice.
So me think you did dash of that.
No, so and this I go put the knife. See, this name start boil up.
I smell the coconut though.
Yeah, what?
It warm up.
You see it warm?
Mm.
Chocolatey.
Start you up, man. Taste the milk. You can taste it, you know. So,
Rasta? A chocolatey.
See it?
I put salt on this already.
little bit.
See it? And this is salt it needed when I put it on the meat.
Yeah, it is. So it's fresh.
Rasta, you see nice? Yeah, to make this dry down, you know. Yeah, people. As you can see,
Get a whole like pot, man. Yeah, right.
portion of oil.
You are like you damn it. Black long part of damn face, your boy.
Oh, Rasta.
Time with a knife.
Yeah. Oh man.
Watch it, man.
Rasta quiet fiddly.
Yeah, you're quiet.
Coconut milk and oil and everything are separated. See what I crack down?
I must say Rasta.
You're right, man.
Yeah, then that happen, man. When you see the coconut crackle, so that the thing they must separate.
Yeah, yes, I feel very mind infused. Or a defuse.
No.
Defuse.
No.
I'm a German. German together. A boil it, so you know, so then German.
Yeah.
No matter what them do for that German, them a German.
One team,
I
Rasta.
don't know where it comes from. People,
Yes, sir.
I drop in the rice now.
Last the rice time.
Oh gosh, man. So where the soup name to the Rasta? Where the soup name?
Two piece. Most that you want here, bro. It's around
You
that
say
yard.
soup name to this two piece.
Most that you want here, so that's two piece now.
I want some pigtail now.
You see, I'm not sure you.
Let me tell you, say after
You see?
the start left the man out the
Yeah.
door, Rasta.
You see,
I will give him dish when it done.
give not even a dish you get. You see, you hear everything you talk about
No,
pig.
pig.
Oh, brother, you cook everything what you like, and you not cook nothing with me like.
But with that can't cook yourself.
Say
I
what?
know what you would
You
like.
go to a restaurant, go get that.
Yeah, you got somewhere else if you would like that you go buy it somewhere else, but we not cook that here.
That's true, man.
Burn you out with that.
That kind of unfair. Come like me
No.
no part of the team.
You're part of IT, but you feel Lego that. Lego
Give me
that.
the honor.
Lego that. You're part of IT, you're part of the Martel team, where devil work where you take up on them in your system, you need to take you out and dash you one side. Make you roll down on some river where you don't see it again. See? Let it go.
That's true, man. So Rasta,
Wow, see
so,
do.
so are we not putting the secret ingredients?
No, not secret good man not going on.
After you take out some
You
after
can't know about me and the secret. Today you're
Yeah,
not.
the camera like off your
Today
doing.
you're not so well going to secret ingredient. You know, and that you want to hear about the secret ingredients when me have to put in on my little thing.
You want to know your formula?
No, you can't know if I'm like the secret ingredients. I will put it in when you are telling back, BAP! The secret ingredients. Holy funny that! Yes, so it is. So you can't know what I'm going to strike. That's it, fish crime.
Yeah.
One love, up and running. One tell, straight, up and running.
What seems to be the problem over here?
Come on, look.
This man
Come on,
want,
look. Can I show them?
remember saying tell me say want pin rice in a grain. He count out. I don't know what me can say when cut them out and put it.
Are you if you count them out, give
Me?
me? What the problem? What go on
I have to
now?
take out 3 months and now and count it
You
out.
see in my
Wow,
pot?
no.
So me I show him that pattern.
You must say you want more water.
Now this Rasta?
Oh, yeah. Take yourself from yourself.
Boy, you know
You
easy.
see, all you're not getting none today.
You love water and oil.
Yeah, water and oil. Water and oil. to make it smile. Water eye to make it smile. The way you say up and running.
Well, if I know use a secret ingredients today.
Yeah, I have to give him a round of applause. People,
Him
on
nah
the
know.
Rasta. Graduate from butter.
Him nah know when me a go put in the secret ingredient.
Most when you share your one.
No, sir. See when I
Like
come
a
down.
slice of pear.
Rain
Yeah,
a
come
down,
back
you
up on us now,
know. Like, up
babes.
and running, people. More rain for love.
More blessings. Peeps. You really have put in the secret ingredients. Nobody give no round of applause, peeps. Think it did graduate from butter.
Now we're on the serve, people. You have what?
Wow, Rasta.
Yeah,
Having the rice next to done cook.
someone you cook rice. You see that? You see you can count every grain different now?
Yeah,
So rice will look. Yeah man. All that one now.
On a pala rice,
And
just to
pala
put in
pala
piece
today.
of butter.
You see my door?
Pala rice, just to put in piece of butter.
I did it in my life.
One if you cook that milk never enough, see that people? You might try to burn me on the mouth to the fork. Come on, nearly take him.
What do you say? Everything nice.
Look good still and stuff.
Yeah, it look good.
But it just look like I got too much fire and I eat it now still.
Man, it's steam down just right,
Go
man.
put it on that.
Just take a peep in your rice pot now.
Keep in time.
Yeah. Wow. Look what that tell, man.
So you
Full of color.
you want to be bad?
Hope it full of flavor.
You don't want to feel bad?
No, why would I?
Up and running.
Up and running.
What's the kid no?
That look like Isle Kid people.
I'll mine.
You
Wow.
look like Isle Man me have a Viagra. It's alright.
Me now, hold on. No. You see when me tell you, listen, so I bet the people in the comments
Yeah,
tell
I
you.
can tell you.
See that fiddly? You're hot it me man.
So why you never do it for your rice pot?
Nah man that one me I tell you what. Rasta you say cleanliness or godliness.
So, all your stuff only and run a box, so like, you want weird.
This me I look for last week.
Yeah, see that?
Nah, since morning that put down. No, this two them put down this so. See that this a fresh one them put down. But
Your stuff only and run a box of weird pan in grade. See?
what kind of grade?
Rasta,
Grade of something
Rasta.
burn.
how much you want today?
Tell I don't know if you tell me.
No, more
No, hear me now. Who no ever try to give me grade, so me I wait.
Alright then.
Alright, 4 hours off fiddly.
Yeah. Me, you dudes, and the cherry there.
Yeah, alright. This is so. Alright, look.
Oh, good man.
Yeah, fiddly. It's hot enough, so I'm just go. Try to do it as best as possible, though.
You afraid?
It's hot, man. I know what them plate here in a man today. John, no fiddle, watch ya, man.
Rice come out good.
Look how much it on rice porridge. You see it? Go very close. I can see it.
Rasta.
You feel it?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't see it too, man?
Allow me give them a close up. Let them see moisture. Rasta.
Very close.
Oil man, I coconut oil man.
Coconut oil.
Yeah.
Alright. That you say?
Yeah.
Rasta.
Rasta, do your thing about a meat you call Rasta. I was so. Eh? I was with Rasta so.
Anytime I wait in grade in ignorant, you know.
Yeah, you know, every week for real, fiddly. We're not grading.
Rasta.
We're not grading time like I'm calling him and say Jesus
Oh,
Christ.
God, man.
No.
I wonder if a nervousness cause it.
Feel so.
Look at her.
A nervousness cause it.
Oh,
Yet.
Squidly.
Yeah.
45. See there? I watch her. 45. No fear. Rasta fear nothing.
You see, you never
Alright.
fret yet.
Fred, they pan guitar and banjo tired to tell you that.
You not learn.
You not learn. No frustration.
Alright, here I go on now, Rasta.
What go on?
Me I give a fork first.
You can't cherry one.
Watch out more, you sprinkle little gravy over mine. Look
Which
at
oil?
oil.
Little oil, me I
Yeah.
get it, man.
Sprinkle look
Yeah,
out
yeah,
more.
Mama cherry one.
Look more oil over mine.
And then you come on yet.
Take up any one of them for Mama Cherry, man.
Rasta.
And just done cook it pack. And them a ball out, say.
Yeah, I agree there
No.
first.
Where your rice where you
Nah,
count?
man. Watch out now.
Where right there where you count out?
See it here. See it here.
But you don't count out
No,
now.
cake guy too lumpy, so I couldn't get the count.
You see all you?
Anyways, why you grade yourself before
Yeah,
we
people
give
want you
I
give yourself an
honest
honest review today, you know?
Ten straight.
We know as
Yeah,
usual.
no, you know,
As
no,
usual.
No have it on me.
Yeah, about 10 straight.
10 straight.
They say rice. Good.
The gravy alone upon him, everything. Sure, sir.
So me ask you, how the rice taste? It alright?
The rice alright with the coconut milk and the ingredients with the.
It could take a little more salt.
No.
Alright then. Big up.
And the sauce those where I look for. It's not fresh, and not too salt. Normal, how it will deal it. See the people? Now taste beside me, because I say me not taste the name. See there? Up there, please cry. Lovely.
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 I gotta tell you we're going for this. You see my friends? You see rice? It's fresh, but you
Fresh
see
butt. You never say a fresh
this
butt.
one. You see meat? You bring up back on the freshness.
The balance out.
Yeah,
For real, kind you put more salt in the meat than in the rice.
Yeah, but you know.
Yeah. Well,
So,
naturally
yeah,
that
go on
good.
today. After. Ready? Sit down for that square. Sit down here.
Me not to don't know, that's where you want to talk.
Come take a seat now when you drop down.
Me not have to hide.
May I give you, listen now.
Me the right answer.
May I give you 1.5 out of 10 today?
1.5.
Yeah.
That's what I
I
love.
joke, man. May I give you 1 8 today?
Eat.
What you mean?
Eat you give me.
Yeah.
I say eat over me cook.
Nah, no love in him, Rasta.
Nah, no love. Eat over cook. Nah, no
What do you
love.
mean by it?
Let me cut this and see.
Alright.
Give me, but you might go on good. Eat a good score and stuff.
I'm thinking of that.
Shema, eat now a solid score.
Boy, yeah. 8 is a anything past a 7 upward.
Yeah, okay.
Means say you're then next to
Remember,
excellence.
It's nice.
The type of rice cannot cook too hard.
No,
You have to
no.
put the meat to blend.
Me I go give an honest review
all
with
right.
Rasta.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Rasta.
Yes,
But
I
it's
am.
nice still.
Of course, it be nice. Full of spice.
It's nice. Alright, Rasta.
Mm-hmm.
May I give you an honest review. You know my style already.
Fair and strong.
Visual presentation.
Mhm.
You know it played colourful and everything.
Hold on, let me see it before you start with this thing fiddly.
Yeah. Based on visual presentation, man, I give me 10 days alone. On top of wait. One sample rice without some gravy.
Yeah. Okay, I look down for you too, no?
They want me to look. You want me to look out the door? And I came on me a look. And my food me eating. Me not sponsor you know.
Yeah man, the rice alright.
Alright, you tell him good my boy. Up and running man. Come
Good,
on. I say
Right,
rice to
alright.
stay. I say rice to stay. You can't do so.
Rasta, you know, make the man give review today.
Then I review my talk about.
Rice alright man. Chicken now. Nah, I'm done since the chicken long time.
See if
The
it.
chicken on point. And I tip out the rasta give me. The chicken the on point man, you see me? So right now we know rasta. The meal again, just like the soup.
Yeah.
The next 10 out of 10
Up
solid,
and
you see me?
running. Solid.
Oh,
Yeah, man,
so
it's
my
solid.
so my eat no deserve no up and
A
running.
small thing you are trying to give me. And the people that know that say you always are trying to give me small thing. Yo!
Why?
Yeah, man,
Why?
Why?
solid.
I want on a solid if you put it up there.
I burn you out, but me I give you a small
Burn
thing.
you,
Why?
burn me out. I want them burn you out too. You see it when they tell us that
The
no.
heat where man
Yeah,
give.
for the heat where I give I know say things solid up there.
Yeah man, it's solid
Yeah,
man.
man. Up and running. See it there? If it never
That's going
solid.
good.
I may tell you say, when you're cooking, without love, the food can't nice.
So
You said without
Rasta,
what?
so Rasta ever get food you don't love it, who get?
Me no, yo, me say if I cook and you not no love in your food
So
can't
me
nice.
ask you, where did you get a food when you never have no love?
Me no know about that. But when my food have to have love in it, because my woman have love, so it have to cook nice. Alright, prescribe. Manners and respect. Up and running. One Martin. Straight.
Yeah people, you know, so we reach the end of this vlog. You know. I beg you to just like, comment, share, repost everything. Subscribe. All our new subscribers them check out the past video them. Tell one of your favorites so far. Just catch up on our next epic adventure. Respect.